red logo on that box is a powerful thing. It has helped move 1,000,000 units of the specific tool set. 1,000,000. That is a staggering number for a kit that hides a massive compromise in the fine print. You walk into the store and see the shiny red plastic, and you think you are getting the gold standard. But if you look closer, you realize you are paying a premium price for technology that should have been retired years ago. This kit comes with a compact ratchet and a specialized screwdriver from their 12-volt line. On the surface, it seems like a great deal. You get the tools, 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag for around $150. For many people, that is an easy sell. The ratchet delivers 35 foot-pounds of torque at 250 revolutions per minute. It is fantastic for those tight spots in an engine bay where you can barely move a finger. The head is small. The grip is solid. It feels like a high-quality piece of equipment even when your hands are covered in grease. Then there is the screwdriver. It is the hidden gem of the whole package. It has a very precise clutch that prevents you from stripping out fasteners. Most people find themselves using it way more than they ever expected. But the honeymoon ends as soon as you push these tools beyond their comfort zone. Because they use older brushed motors, they have some serious limitations. They get hot very quickly under a heavy load. The gearing is not designed for the kind of brute force you might expect from a top-tier brand. If you try to use that ratchet to break loose a rusted bolt, you are going to have a bad time. The battery life is another pain point. These smaller batteries drain fast when you are working hard. And because the included charger is the basic slow model, you will be stuck waiting for hours while your project sits unfinished. The most frustrating part is that a much better version exists. There is a brushless model in the same family that offers nearly double the speed and significantly more torque for a very similar price, but you would not know it just by looking at the display. When you buy this specific combo, you are essentially buying the base model wrapped in premium branding. It is a clever trick by the manufacturer to move older inventory. If you are just a hobbyist doing light work once in a while, you might never notice the difference. But if you are someone who works with your hands every day, this kit is going to feel like a disappointment. I do these deep dives because I hate seeing people spend their hard-earned money on marketing instead of performance. You should get exactly what you think you are paying for. If you appreciate this kind of honest look at the industry, there are simple ways to support what I do here. I have links in the description for when you do your normal shopping. It does not cost you anything extra, but it helps me keep this channel independent from corporate sponsors. That way, I can keep telling you the truth without worrying about who I might offend. Keep your eyes open and always check the motor type before you buy. Don't let the red paint fool you into buying yesterday's tech. Stay sharp and keep questioning what you are actually getting for your money.